What's the meaning of conscience? Conscience. Conscience.
Conscience. Conscience. Conscience refers to an individual's internal sense of right and wrong. It is the sense of moral responsibility that guides a person's behavior and decision-making. A strong conscience helps individuals make ethical choices that align with their values and beliefs, even in difficult or conflicting situations. On the other hand, a weak conscience may lead to moral ambiguity and unethical behavior. Developing a strong sense of conscience requires reflection, empathy, and a commitment to doing what is right, even when no one is watching.